Thanksgiving is around the corner, actually, next week. And while it's time for gratitude and celebrations, it can also bring a lot of stress, especially for those that are already dealing with mental health challenges. From navigating our family gatherings, shopping, to overwhelming pressures of Black Friday and even beyond, and it can feel like it's a lot to handle. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about practical tips, where you can be able to protect your mental health during this season, and how to navigate the stress and be able to focus on what really matters to us and to you, especially if you're dealing with mental health challenges. And my tip number one is that I would suggest is that focus on what is manageable for you. Remember, you matter. And what is manageable for you is what you have to be able to focus. Whether it's spending a few hours with the family or opting to be all by yourself without isolating yourself, but letting people know that, you know what, this season, this is I am not able to participate in Thanksgiving. I would rather be by myself, but make sure you're not like literally isolating for this because you're feeling down. But if you are feeling overwhelmed and you're not in a position to participate, it's okay. And just be honest and let people know. And if you are okay with that, and that really is going to bring peace to you without feeling like, people are celebrating without me, be honest with yourself. And number two is family gathering can bring, if you're dealing with mental health challenges, most of the time family challenge gatherings can bring those wounds. Sometimes wounds can be opened up, and it's a time like, you feel like, oh my goodness, I don't want to participate in this family gathering. I do not want to see my cousin because she did ABC at 4 years ago. And it could be a trigger. And sometimes these holidays bring a lot of trigger to some people that are dealing with mental health issues. Maybe there might be an unforgiveness. There might be things that have not been cleared. Maybe you're carrying some judgment. It's a lot, and there's so many things, because I have had, I've taken care of patients like during the holidays. They're dreading the holidays because so and so did something to them last holiday. They didn't even say anything about it, but now they're dreading this holiday because, oh my goodness, what if she said the same thing that she said last holiday? And I'm like, did you talk to the person about it? Did they know that they hurt you? Oh no, I didn't. But they always say this, they always make me feel like. And I'm like, let's talk about it. Instead of enduring these holidays and sitting with the people that you love, and they already hurt you the last holiday, and you've gone the whole year without you letting them know. And then when these holidays are coming up, you're you're stressing, you don't want to look like you don't want to participate, but there is already something that's bothering you. There's wounds that you're feeling that's going to be reopened, but yet you didn't say anything. So if there are wounds that are not healed, mend those wounds, or talk to the person that maybe have hurt you before and let them know, by the way, last time when we met as a family, there's something that you say that I didn't appreciate, and that really was a trigger for me. Let them know. And especially if they know that you have things that you deal with, it's so okay to let people know that, you know what, let's not talk about certain things. Let's not talk about things that trigger you. And I'm sure your family, your loved one, are going to support you because they're your family. So don't stay with ones, that have been hurt. Don't stay isolated, or don't feel the anxiety of meeting up with your family because of the things that has happened before. Be honest, let them know what has been done for you. Number three is that it's okay to take the necessary breaks that are needed. If you're in a gathering, or if you're in a family gathering, and you deal with mental issues or challenges. I'm not going to say issues. I'm so sorry. I keep saying issues. It's challenges. And you feel like, the conversation that is being talked about, it's something, a trigger for you. Let's say politics or things that you don't like really, really triggers you. It's okay to excuse yourself and maybe say, oh, excuse me, I'm going to go for a walk. And it's okay to excuse yourself. Don't sit there and feel like you have to endure things that are being talked about and they bring triggers to you. It's okay to take a break. If you're in a gathering, people are talking about things that you don't appreciate, just excuse yourself, or maybe, again, being honest and saying, what, can we change the topic? Can we do this and this? Can we talk this instead of this? Or have somebody that or a family member that you're close to, and let them be the guide for you and be able to control the conversations, or be able to say, oh, by the way, that's not a good topic. Can we change the topic? Which leads me to number 4. The one that I have is finding a support in the family members. We might, as families, sometimes we have people that we are close to. And if you're close maybe to your sister, to your brother, or one of your brothers, let them know that holidays, and they might even know that holidays, gatherings are tough for you, and maybe they can be that key person that can keep checking on you. They can be like, hey, are you okay? Are you doing okay? You're in a gathering, and you can ask them at the beginning, can you check on me? Can you keep an eye on me? If you see me isolating, or if you see me quiet, check on me. And with that, this person can be able to help you out, with these gatherings. They can be able to walk you through, or they can be that support and just be there for you, to check on you occasionally or frequently, just to check on how you're doing. What else? I have a piece of paper here that I wanted to do. Number 5 is focus on the good things that are happening. Just be joyous. Focus on being there with the family, and don't let how can I say this? Don't let the big things, overwhelm you. Enjoy yourself. Be purposeful. Enjoy yourself. Do not let this holiday season overwhelm you. Enjoy yourself on purpose. And remember to prioritize your mental health. Your mental health is key here. And the reason I'm hammering this, because this holiday season, it's a stressor for a lot of people with mental health challenges. And the goal is to take care of yourself. The goal is to make yourself a priority, no matter where you are. Your peace is not worth the gathering, because if you go to these gatherings and yet you come back and it pushes you a couple months behind, was it worth it? It wasn't worth it. Was it worth it for you to go and then yet go get triggered and then come back, and now you're feeling like, your whole day has been messed up, and then that pushes you, and now you're gonna how can I say this? You're gonna be like, I regret going. Now I'm feeling worse. Now it's even gonna send me to the hospital. So it's not worth it. If you feel, check yourself and feel, is it worth it? Is it worth it for me to go, or is it worth for me taking care of my mental health? So what's your biggest holiday stressor? Let us know in the comment, and please don't forget to like and share this video with someone. And if there's a topic that you want me to cover as a mental health nurse, or as somebody that is currently supporting somebody dealing with mental health challenge, let me know in the comment if there's a topic that you want me to talk about. I'm going to be talking about a lot, but I'm just, starting and just seeing what you guys like. So let me know what you guys like, and we'll see you in the next video.